As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta low. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
Been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24? The way things is going, I don't know.
Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise.
Power and the money, money and the power. Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't looking what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.
We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We've been spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. We keep spending most of our lives living in the gangster's paradise. Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Tell me, why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me?
Yeah, too hardcore for the radio and too real for the haters. So we street orientated, keep your game affiliated. The way my mind work, I gotta do dirt. Her shit ain't right. Do the shit for the G's and brothers play. I gotta keep it tight, keep shit moving, pursuing. Paper can't do what I'm doing. Haters can't trust me, so fuck them. That's the reason it's killing season. Rolling the smoke, but niggas provoking fools to pull out their straps, saying they can't feel the skates. The rap is blazing, sacking laces, tracks. Luxury lifestyle, got fools acting hostile. Peep the profile, giving my all. I came to bar and shake them all, but the law can't be touched. Slang out X, strictly floss. Beat my mode, shining like 3 times gold. Slow your roll, got control of the ground, but not on low, that's for show. Slam the door into that soul, roll up the windows so that's blow. Hard knocks like Jay-Z, lazy and slack, we packing it. Ready for action, keeps you cracking. Ain't no stopping this gangsta rapping.
All these niggas be perpetrating like they deep in the game. Lying like Pinocchio about they dough and cocaine. Fuck with Vegas cause they hit slow. Niggas be artificial. Jealous cause bitches just go crazy when I'm in the stereo. Heard the young Kaiser, it made a pussy soaking wet. I'm a sacromaniac and rap so dangerous on the track. Corrupted, feeling like I really can't be fucked with. Reach out and touch a suck ass nigga. I ain't no puppet, don't be fucking with my emotions. From the west coast next to the Pacific Ocean, where young thugs be posting on the corner, grossing G's, smoking dope ass weed. Hella bent, strapped in this gang banging element. Develop elephant sized dreams, growing up around ballers. Figure I'ma be on top of the world or an alcoholic. Paper chasing till I'm facing 25 with an L. Catch me drunk driving with no L's, doing it live as hell.
They hate, they say we too gangster, we too dangerous, highly influential, and we getting too famous. Nickname is stainless steel, and keep it dirty like muddy on the side where it's sunny. Out for the money, they hate, and they say we too gangster, we too dangerous, highly influential, and we getting too famous. With nicknames is stainless steel, and keep it dirty like muddy on the side where it's sunny. Out for the money. Ballin', but still banging like Dion figures, still rolling with my niggas in candy cars with a bad rep like Randy Moss. Hating us in the sauce because we heated repeatedly dropping street shit. Or maybe it's cause I just ain't from the east, bitch. I'm Hucklebuck, Chris, watch for me. You don't know me, don't I not watch it. Quit popping up at the studio like a jack in the box. I fold a lot of knots and try brand new shit tricks right off the car. A lot of too hard knock from the west, can't get no press unless I'm jailbound or it's underground. Sometimes it makes me wonder how I'ma make it. Stay true and never fake it. Taking a hit of the grip, lift the tip, and the top to feel it to keep it flashing like 40, realer than dirty money. Never heard me coming, shit it done like M1 from 2-3, purring early off the XO, Remy and seaweed. Real G's and GS3s on beaches with notches and Swiss watches. Stay plotting, we too gangster.
I was wild as a juvenile. I had to turn my life around and keep it moving now. Same style, still a G. Can't stop till my casket drops. Used to hang on the corner, shaking tabs a lot. Had the block hot, so I took the spot. Bounced out of Cali, had to get out. He ended up in Cincinnati. Now I'm laughing with the girl in my dreams. Thinking about having babies, but my life too crazy, I'm too shady to have a lady. On the run again, wondering will I make it to see my birthday? Niggas is filthy, they tryna kill me. Blatantly hating me, talking loud, but they said shit to my face. If they steppin' with no weapon, they getting hit with my mace. And then we rap pack, attack the flesh like Great Whites. Doing dirt broad daylight, Coco deep on the late night. We post up, get high, fuck off broccoli. Serving niggas in Madden, got your only son tryna copy me with his hat to the side, sagging on no west side.
Too gangster, we too dangerous, highly influential, and we getting too famous. With nicknames is stainless steel, and keep it dirty like muddy on the side where it's sunny. Out for the money. They say we too gangster, we too dangerous, highly influential, and we getting too famous. With nicknames is stainless steel, and keep it dirty like muddy on the side where it's sunny. Out for the money.
I come through like a savage with my mug on tough. Hand cannon in my right hand, not giving a fuck. Turf Kings, too gangster for a square ass nigga. I do the dirt with my homies, fuck a scared ass nigga. I keep it real, getting rich is a lifelong plan. I'm the man, whooping ass like a black Jackie Chan. Too gangster like my nigga said. Got him running for cover, I'm burning rubber, taking blood to the head, bitch. You know, that's how we do that shit. West Coast Mafia, Uncle Beezy, Marvin Jean, Killer Tay, AK, Luna Sick, bitch, all up your motherfucking face. Too gangster, too dangerous. They got him hating up
About the records I sold, now I'm back for the victory, about to get on the road. They say I gotta sell records, but I ain't selling my soul. I won't sell it for platinum and I won't sell it for gold. The game full of suckers, I know that they gotta go. Now the Camillinators, the general in control. So when I tell you I run it, it's because I run it, and you should run from it. You know you don't want it.
Rappers be talking too much, just like they rap for the feds. I got a lot of little crumb snatchers that's after me bread. Notice that I said after, cause that is back where I left. March 27, I'm dropping, that mean you have to be scared. Yeah, I'm cooking up something and rap 'em Dennis the Menace. I put a G periodically on the table like a chemist. My homie keep that metal right in your mouth like a dentist. The hateration is shrinking like the amount of your minutes. On your sidekick Motorola, your Nextel phone. They wanna know what's the business, I'ma let my neck tell home. I dropped a budget gauge it on what you might think my next sells long. So far that you can't reach me like when your next tail roam. Like a tunnel in Amsterdam, Cam, he got a dope flow. Your flow kinda so-so, military's the logo. The lizard will visit, so disrespect is a no-no. Cause you know the fofo will stick on like pogo. Pogo stick, the homoness in the industry. Got me a little shaky about every rapper that isn't me. Ask anybody out there who think that he lyrically killing me, and he dropping quicker than a Reggie Miller 3. Step in the label, and I tell him give me my green. Then I send in famous and make them get to my team. I got that money and power kinda like Jimmy Iovine. A little more money than power, so they call me Jimmy High Cream. Or maybe Jimmy Hakeem. They respecting me, why? Cause my sales are above, ain't even next to the sky. I know a few backstabbers, but I'm not expecting to die. Cause I keep my eyes open like I'm expecting a knife. I run it in the underground, so y'all step to the side. It's like lightning the minute my wrist and necklace collide. Magazine sneak dissing, trying to mess up my vibe. And 1.3 million fans will accept your reply, cause I run it.
They all happy about the records I sold. Now I'm back for the victory, about to get on the road. They say I gotta sell records, but I ain't selling my soul. I won't sell it for platinum and I won't sell it for gold. The game full of suckers, I know that they gotta go. Now the Camillionator's the general in control. So when I tell you I run it, it's because I run it. And you should run from it, you know you don't want it.